What's up guys, it's Ian here today with another video. Today I'm here to bring you a product unboxing from Vanquish. I'm going to try on one of their sweatshirts, jogger combos, see how it fits, give you an idea of the fit and finish, how I rate it compared to other competitors, how I see them holding up over time. This will give you a good idea of whether or not you might want to try out some of their products. I know that their products are on the more expensive side. They have a sale right now, so maybe it's worth picking up some things from them. For me, I think if a clothing item is high enough quality and not too much more expensive and it'll last a long time, you like the way it looks, it's probably worth paying a little bit more versus something that's cheaper but is going to break down quickly. Without further ado, I'm going to open up this package and give you my first thoughts on the Vanquish Strike Eclipse collection series.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Yeah, so first impressions, it seems pretty nice, very aesthetic. I noticed that the zipper is on the opposite side, so I guess European people make their clothes with the zipper on the opposite side. Keep an eye out for that. Might be kind of strange if you're from the United States and you've built up muscle memory to reaching for that zipper on the right hand side. Material's thinner than I thought it would be. Pretty aesthetic. I don't think that it would necessarily be great winter clothing, but you know, you could wear it in the spring, maybe wear it as a base layer under something else. Overall, pretty happy with the appearance. Thinner than I thought it would be. Not sure how it's going to hold up durability wise. The zippers are plastic, not metal. Overall, I think it's a pretty reasonable product. Would I buy it again? Maybe in other colorways. Pretty aesthetic clothing item. Pretty aesthetic, kind of athletic fit, very tight on the legs. My legs are not big at all, so if you do have big legs, it's going to look like you have some leggings on or something like that, which is a pretty trending look in the fitness industry, I would say. So, you know, overall, pretty form-fitting for a hoodie. Relatively happy overall. I would recommend it if you're looking for something kind of thin, not that warm. Could wear it in a gym, kind of as a pump cover. Not a primary set of winter clothes by any means if it is cold outside where you are. Maybe something that you could layer with, wear under another jacket. Overall, do I see it holding up over time? I think this material could tear actually very easily. Like if you get it stuck on a carabiner or anything kind of sharp in the gym. If you're into calisthenics, weighted calisthenics, lifting with barbells, I think rubbing against a barbell or sharp edges of carabiners, this type of material could tear very easily. I don't think that it would stand the test of time if you are hard on your equipment. Just keep an eye out for that. Looks very aesthetic. I'm sure it would be very good in pictures and videos. Not sure how it'll hold up over time. Overall, some pretty nice colors. Matches the olive power beats that I also have. And just for point of reference, this is how they compare to the olive green power beats. A bit of a lighter shade, but these are also green colored. Got a lot of green in the background here. These are a little bit darker. So, you know, if you got these headphones and you want to buy the tracksuit to match, you can buy a tracksuit for each different color of beats that you have. I'm just kidding. I don't think you guys are color coding your beats, but you know, if you do got multiple pairs of beats, you can be extra matching and match your headphones with your clothes. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see me review any other products that are, you know, moderately priced that you think you might like to see how they look, go ahead and comment down below. I'll order some of those, try them on for you, let you know my thoughts compared to other clothing items that I have as well. You know, versus like the Young LA joggers, the Uniqlo joggers. These joggers are a lot thinner, not nearly as warm. I don't think they're going to be as durable. Pretty aesthetic though. If you're just looking for something that looks nice, maybe you can wear it as part of a layering effect in the gym. Could be a good way to go.